Have you ever connected your laptop to the Wi-Fi and wonder how does this actually work behind the scene? In today's video, I am going to show you how to build a complete wireless network in Cisco Packet Tracer from the scratch. We will configure wireless router, connected laptop over Wi-Fi, assign IP addresses using DHCP, and test the network using ping. By the end of this video, you will able to design your own wireless network like a CCNA student or even network engineer. Before we jump into the practical, let's understand the concept. A wireless network allows device to communicate without physical cable. Instead, it uses radio frequency signals. Now the main device here in a wireless router, the device actually perform multiple roles. Access point AP, it's allow wireless device like a laptop and a phone to connect it. DHCP server, it's automatically assign IP addresses to the device. Router, it's connect your local network to another networks. So in simple term, laptop connect wirelessly, PC connect using cable, router connect everything. This is exact what we're going to build today. Let's begin. First, go to the wireless device, select RWT300N wireless router. And devices, we go to the wireless router. So we will select WRT300N wireless device like this. Place it in the center. Now add end devices like 2 laptop, 1 PC in a center. This setup represents a small home or office networks. Now we connect the PC using cable. So we go to the connection. We select the copper straight through cable. So we connect PC to the router, fast Ethernet port. Now we will connect router to the Ethernet 1 port. This is done to connect PC to the router. Now let's configure the wireless router. So we will click the router to configure wireless router. We will go to GUI, graphical user interface. Go to the wireless section for the configuration. You can see there's so many options. Just we change the network name SSID. Fast Wi-Fi. You can see I changed my SSID. Make sure SSID broadcast is enabled. If this is not enabled, you can enable it. Now just save the settings. This is done for this lab. There are so many other settings we will discuss in next video, like a security SSID and the security port, enable password, each and everything. We will go the next video. On this video, just we will change the SSID on there and enable SSID broadcast, then save the settings. Now let me explain something important. SSID stands for Service Set Identifier. It's simple, the name of your Wi-Fi network. When you open Wi-Fi on your phone, the list you see, those are SSID. Now come a very important step. By default, laptop in Packet Tracer cannot connect wirelessly. So we need to install wireless adapter. So we will click on laptop. This is laptop. So turn the laptop, removing model, insert WPC300N wireless card like this, and we will add there. Now turn the device on. Repeat for second laptop. The wireless card works like a Wi-Fi adapter in real life. Without it, your device cannot detect wireless networks. So we will go to the second laptop. First, turn off, remove existing adapter. So we will add wireless adapter. Then we will on the laptop. Now let's connect our laptop to the wireless networks. Go to the laptop, then desktop, PC wireless. Click the connection, refresh it. Now you can see the fast Wi-Fi is listed. Our laptop is keyed the wireless router. Then we will go to the connect. That's all. You can see the laptop is connected with wirelessly to the wireless router. Then same setting we will repeat on the next laptop. Go to the desktop, PC wireless, connection, refresh it. You can see second laptop also receive the Wi-Fi signals. So we will connect this, close window. You can see laptop is connected wirelessly to the wireless router. Now let's check the IP addresses. Click the laptop. IP addresses configuration. You can see DHCP server is enabled. IP version 4 addresses 192.168.0.100 and go to the second laptop. IP configuration. You can see the 192.168.101 is here. Now observe each device get IP address automatically. DHCP server stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It's automatically assign IP addresses, subnet masks, default gateway. Without DHCP server, you could have to configure IP address manually. If you want to understand DHCP server, how to configure DHCP, watch my YouTube channel video how to configure DHCP server. Also, I will add this video link in a description. Now let's move our lab. And now let's test our network. Open command prompt on the laptop. Command prompt. Now ping 192.168.0.101 PC. You can see we will reply from the 192.168.0.101 PC. It means the connection is okay. Use ICMP protocol to test connectivity between devices. Now we will configure our PC to get IP addresses automatically. Desktop IP configuration. So this is static. Now we will enable our PC. Now you can see that our PC is also get the DHCP IP address from the router. Today we will learn what is wireless networks, how wireless router work, how to configure a wireless router WRT300, and how to connect devices using Wi-Fi, how DHCP assign IP addresses to the laptop and PC, and how to test connectivity. This is fundamental concept for the CCNA and a networking beginners. If you want to master Cisco Packet Tracer step by step, this is part of complete series on this channel. Make sure to subscribe to a fast take and watch the next lab where we will configure wireless security and advanced setting. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.